This Yichen in-situ solidification mixer is currently performing in-situ solidification on the soft foundation within the development zone. This area was previously tidal flats with weak bearing capacity. As roads need to be constructed within the large development zone, in-situ solidification is the optimal solution. The solidification mixer head enables large-scale in-situ consolidation of the foundation without excavation or replacement. Crucially, the treated soil can bear loads within 2-3 days, achieving a surface-bearing capacity of 260 kPa. This allows it to support engineering vehicles weighing over 80 tons, easily meeting road usage standards. In-situ consolidation offers short construction periods, environmental efficiency, and low construction costs, making it an ideal solution for soft ground treatment.